Hey guys, it's Matt from Scorpius Tactical. So we're going to be starting a new little video series here on Instagram and YouTube, basically showcasing our own personal rifles that we have here in the shop and really explaining why we do the things that we do in terms of setting up our rifles. We're also going to be touching a lot on the internals of the rifles as well, so recoil systems, correct gassing of the rifle and tuning it, different trigger systems, and things like that. So if that interests you, definitely follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch out for when we release these videos. Thanks.